In today's video, I will show you guys how you guys can log in into a Lois credit card account, and it's pretty simple, so follow the step. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification turned on for future videos like this. Let's move on. First step, just search for Lois credit card login. Once you search for Lois credit card login, the first option where it says synchronize finance, click on it. So your Lois credit card is linked with Synchrony company, so we have to go through the login portal of Synchrony. So don't worry about it, alright? Once you click on that link, wait for some time. Now once you're in this page, you can see the Lois logo over here. That means you're at the right place. And where it says user ID, just enter the user ID of your account. And where it says password, just enter the password over here. And just click on secure login, and you should be able to log in into your Lois credit card account. It's that simple. And if you forgot your password or user ID, you can click on either one of this to recover it. If you want to register or apply for their card, you can click on this two option over here. Alright, so yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you guys on my next one. Hit that subscribe to our channel, want to step, and bye bye.